I'm doing a Nike Tiempo for indoor shoe unboxing and review. I went and got these today because I needed a shoe for futsal because my club team is doing futsal and we're doing it on asphalt because we're poor, and I need a shoe I could just destroy. And so these weren't too much, they're like $70, but I still want a quality shoe. The leather is really soft, or it's soft for an indoor shoe. And then I really wanted the suede toe cap, so when I drag my feet or drag my toes on asphalt, the leather won't just get destroyed and rip super easy. They're also super comfortable. They seem to have a good sole. They look good. I'm excited to wear them.